What is the process of getting a refund for Microsoft Office 365?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to get a refund for your Microsoft Office 365 subscription. It's a straightforward process, and we'll guide you through each step.
Check your eligibility for a refund.
Before proceeding, it's important to note that Microsoft has specific conditions for refunds. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, you can get a full refund within 30 days of the initial purchase or within 14 days of a renewal. Please check the latest Microsoft terms and conditions, as these terms may have changed after my last training data in September 2021.
Sign in to your Microsoft account.
First off, you need to log in to your Microsoft account. This is the account you used when purchasing your Office 365 subscription.
Navigate to the Services and Subscriptions page.
Once you're signed in, head over to the Services and Subscriptions page. This page lists all the services you have subscribed to, including Office 365.
Find your Office 365 subscription.
Look for your Office 365 subscription in the list. Once you've found it, click on Manage. This will take you to a new page with further details about your subscription.
Request a refund.
On the subscription management page, find and click on the option that says Cancel or Cancel Subscription. You will then be guided through the process of cancellation. Once the subscription is canceled, if you are eligible, there should be an option to request a refund. Click on this, and follow the instructions provided to complete your refund request. And that's it. You've now learned how to request a refund for your Microsoft Office 365 subscription. Remember, the key is to check your eligibility for a refund first and then proceed with the steps we've outlined. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.